Good morning, students. I hope you all have seen part 1 and 2 of chapter 9, and now in part 3 we are going to discuss about the spread of the revolt and its leaders. Now, shall we begin with the part 3? Spread of the revolt and its leaders. Delhi and Bahadur Shah Zafar. See, the soldier reads Delhi from Meerut, that is Meerut, in the morning on 11th May. They could capture Delhi with the help of the Indian soldier present there. See, the soldiers they reached Delhi from where? From Meerut in the morning. On which date? On 11th May. They could capture Delhi with the help of Indian soldier present there. See, with the help of Indian soldier, they can capture it. They convinced the 80 years old Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar to accept the leadership of the revolt. See whom they convinced? They convinced the Mughal Shah Emperor, who was that Bahadur Shah Zafar. He was how much years old? He was 80 years old. And to what? To accept the leadership of the revolt. This news infused a new life in the revolt, and many regions of the Indian joined the revolt. See, because of this, many regions of India they joined the revolt. See, if it asked who undertook the leadership of the revolt in Delhi, then the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar he undertook the leadership of the revolt of Delhi. Kanpur and Nana Sahib. Kanpur broke into the revolt on 4th June 1857. See in which year? In 1857, 4th June. In Kanpur it broke out, and Nana Sahib Peshwa was asked to assume the leadership of the revolt. See over there in the Kanpur, who was being asked to resume the revolt? Nana Sahib Peshwa and the leadership of the revolt. However, they had to surrender to the Britishers following an acute shortage of food and water. See what they people they have to surrender. Why to the British? Why? Because the main reason was that was a shortage of food and water, and due to 20-day long siege. See, 20-day long passed away because the shortage of food and water. They have to surrender to the British. Siege is a military operation in which enemy forces are surrounded to a town or a building, cutting off the supply. There is a cut off of the supply with the aims of compelling those inside to surrender. Bihar and Kuwar Singh. See, Patna and Jagdishpur were the main centers of the revolt in Bihar. See, in Bihar, which were the main centers of the revolt? They were Jagdishpur and Patna. Kuwar Singh, a 70-year-old landlord, was the leader of the revolt. See, in Bihar, who was the leader? Kuwar Singh. And how old he was? 70 years old. And he was a landlord. He fought bravely against the Britishers. See, Kuwar Singh, he fought very bravely against the Britishers. During a battle, he got shot in his arm. See, while there was a battle with the Britishers at that time, he got shot in his arm. And to stop the poison from spreading in his body, he chopped his hand off from the elbow and offered it to the river Ganga. See what happened. See, it's a really very painful thing that Kuwar Singh, when he was being shot in his arm, to stop when the poison, this poison now when it goes in the body, to stop this poison into spreading in his body, what he did, he chopped his hand, he cut off his hand from the elbow, and he offered it. He offered into the river Ganga. He freed Jagdishpur from the British control before he died. See, before his death, he freed the Jagdishpur. He freed the people from the Jagdishpur from the British. Jhansi and the great warrior Lakshmi Bai. The queen of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, was a great warrior. See, we all know the queen of Jhansi. Who was that? Lakshmi Bai, and she was a very great warrior. The Britisher did not accept her adopted son as the heir to the throne. See what the Britishers did, they did not accept his adopted son to be heir to be the throne, and this was the reason for her joining the revolt. See why did she join the revolt? Because the Britisher, they did not accepted her son as a heir to the throne, and this was the main reason for joining the revolt. And she was one of the most skillful leaders of the revolt, and she was very skillful. She had also prepared an army of women to fight against the British. See what did she did? She prepared an army of women. Why? To fight against this British. They fought bravely against the British. All the women soldiers were there in the army. They fought very nicely, very bravely against the British. According to the British officials, Queen Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest women leaders in the revolt of 1857. See what, according to this British officials, what it is being said that Queen Lakshmi Bai was Na Jhansi Ki Rani was one of the greatest women. She was greatest women leader in the year in this revolt of 1857. A brave army commander, Tatya Tope. See, Nana Sahib Peshwa had made Tatya Tope the commander of the army at Kanpur. See what Kanpur. See, Nana Sahib Peshwa, he made Tatya Tope what the commander of the army of Kanpur. See, Tatya Tope was very strong and a brave commander, and he was undertook the leadership of Nana Sahib Peshwa's army. Soon he became his trusted commander, and then he became his trusted commander also. He skillfully fought to free Kanpur, playing the role of a commander for the first time in his life. See, for the first time he was playing the role of whose commander, and he played very nicely. Played this role, and for the next 2 years he played a major role in the revolt across the country. See after that what happened, other two next 2 year was he played a major role in that also, in the revolt to for the to across the country. And no one in his time had fought as many battles as he did, and he has fought many battles, and no one was there of his time who has fought so many battles. Soldiers from different parts of India had joined the revolt. See, the soldiers of different part, they have joined the revolt. And from North India, Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh and Gorakhpur had joined. See which the places which has joined in the North India: Bareilly, Allahabad, Banaras, Azamgarh, Agra, Gorakhpur. They all had joined. Ajmer, Nasirabad and Abu from the Rajputana, and Gwalior, Mandsaur, Indore and Dhar from the central India participated in the revolt. See who all have participated in the revolt were the Ajmer, Nasirabad and Abu. They were from the Rajputana and Gwalior. And Central India who participated, Mandsaur, Indore and Dhar. In Satara, Kolhapur, Savantwadi, Nargar, Dharwad, etc. They became the active in south. See in the south which were they? Satara, Kolhapur, Savantwadi, Nargar and Dharwad. They all were very active in the south. However, these centers were scattered. And see what happened. All these centers, they were scattered. Revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. Now we are going to discuss about the revolt that took place in Gujarat. The 7th Battalion of the British Army broke into revolt in Ahmedabad. See the 7th Battalion Army, which army? The 7th Battalion Army that had broke where in Ahmedabad into the revolt. And Gujarat in June 1857, when it was in Ahmedabad, it was in Ahmedabad, that is in Gujarat, in June 1857. However, it was soon halted, and then it was being halted. Dahod, Jalod and Godhra of Panchmahal witnessed the skirmishes with the British army. Skirmishes means what? Fighting between the small and or outlying part of the armies. The soldier could capture the government offices with the help of the natives. See what happened, but they were soon defeated. See, the soldiers were there, now they were able to capture all the government offices. Why? With the help of whom? With the help of our natives. But soon they were defeated. The Nayakadas of Panchmahal continued the rebellion almost for a year. See, it was being continued for almost for a year in Nayakadas of Panchmahal. I hope you all have understood till here. In the next part, we will move ahead. Thank you.